Hi, today we're just potting up a deep purple Celosia, and these are from Aldi, seasonal flowering, and they are perfect butterfly buddy. The purple flowers are really striking and the red tips of the leaves. So this is indoor and outdoor and can tolerate sun, part shade, and water 4 times 150 millilitres in a week. Can tolerate temperatures from 10 degrees to 30 degrees and seeds within 30 days. Shade or no shade, non-edible and CO2 friendly. And this would tolerate a pot of 12 inches, 12 centimetres wide. So we're going to have a look at our Celosia. So first of all, we're going to remove it from this cover. Whoa. So as we can see, it's been a bit damaged, sat in that plastic bag. But as soon as we get some fresh compost, this will be really, really good. So, look at the colours. That one's broken off there, isn't it? Yeah. So, compost looks pretty good. So I'm going to remove all these dead leaves. That one. And that one. There we go. I'm going to pot it into this pot. So Celosias require a good fertile compost with good drainage. So I've got a bit of compost. It's got a bit of perlite mixed in here. And there we go. I'm going to sit that in the middle of our pot and just fill in the sides, firming it down. So this is a summer plant. It's hard to keep it during the winter. But it's great to add some colour in that garden. There we go. So, there we go. Potted up our Celosia. We give it a good water. I'm just going to stick it in the shade for a little while, just to get acclimatised. And there we go. That's a lovely looking plant. And as I say, these were available in Aldi. Just going to take centre in my garden. So let me know in the comments. Have you got the Celosia? And the red ones are called Dragon's Breath. And they are really, really striking. And this is a purple version. So that is really, really good. So I'm looking forward to watching this one grow. Let me know in the comments. Have you got Celosia? Have you got the purple, deep purple? Or have you got the bright red one? Let me know in the comments and that'd be really, really great. So, thanks for watching. Cheers.